The future of mobility requires new ways of thinking. It's time to turn tradition into trend-setting solutions and lead through competence. Turn expectations into experiences and make ideas come to life. Turn possibilities into long-lasting value and make rail transport more cost-effective. Turn speed into sustainability and go easy on the environment without compromising performance. It is time to rethink velocity with innovations that are being tested on the tracks. Discover a train that guarantees availability, enhances passenger experience, increases value sustainably over the entire life cycle. Velaro Novo. Rethink velocity.